back to my channel. So in this video today, I have a few products that I recently got that I am going to be unboxing with you guys today. But before anything else, don't forget to hit that subscribe button here and like this video. Alright, let's get to it. So I'm going to start with this one. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation. I got this foundation because I have oily skin, and the latest foundation that she got out with is a hydrating one. So I don't think that's gonna work for me. That's why I got this one instead. So let's get to it. So this is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation, which is a soft matte long wear foundation. And the packaging has a matte detailing here, and then the logo is shiny. It feels very strong and sleek and kind of heavy. Ah, that's why. So it has a protective encasing. Is that a right word? So very secure. So the bottle is matte with a shiny cover. Quite heavy and strong. Let's open it. So it has a pump. Okay, I like the cover because it's very secure and it clicks into place. So, okay, the foundation feels lightweight. I know it's gonna be very yellow on my skin, but I always play around with my foundation. See, on the get-go, you can see it's already matte and very good coverage. Next up is the Benefit Boing how do you say that? I don't know how to say that. Anyway, Cake Plus Concealer in the shade number 5. This is a little bit on the lighter side, but I really like to highlight under the eyes. This concealer claims to be cakeless, creaseless, and very long wearing, so I hope it lives up to the hype. Let's see. I love the packaging. It's pink, it's purple, it's beige. Nice. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Very cute. So it has an eraser here. Looks like a pencil. A liquid pencil. So it comes with a manual on how to use it, so that's nice. Okay, I'm gonna read that later. Now I'm gonna open. Okay, so it has a doe foot applicator. So this is what it looks like. Let's see. Oh, very creamy. Oh, it's very thick. Looks very light. Okay. Nice. Thank you. Okay, it's setting very fast.
Very fast?
Yeah. Okay. And I can see there's already like a lot of coverage with that much product. Okay, that's nice. So that's very fast. So I'm guessing you're gonna have to work really quick with this one. Maybe apply. Okay, maybe apply a little every time and blend as you go because it sets very fast. And then the next one is the Tart Shape Tape Concealers in Minis. Now I've already used this before. I bought the shade Light Medium and Deep, but it's not new to me. I've used it before. It's an amazing concealer, but I got the mini, so let's see how it looks like inside. It's cute. So this I've used before, but not the mini one. Okay. Very cute packaging. Yeah. Oh, it's so cute.
It's so cute.
I don't know how much this is gonna last me, because the last one lasted me about 4 months with everyday use. So maybe this one 2 months. Oh, let's see how the brush looks like. Ah, so cute. Okay, so this is the light one, light medium. And then, okay, open the other one.
Okay.
The deep one. Okay. Aww. So, so I'm gonna use this for contouring maybe.
No.
Kind of like bronzing maybe. Or as a corrector. Oh, the brush is so cute. So this one has... Okay, let's put on your hand. Give me, show me. Oh, wow. Okay, let's swatch it on Kaikai's hand, okay? Okay. I'll use your swatching hand. Wow. Hey! Shall I swatch on the other hand? I already know that this concealer is very nice, so... I just like the cute size.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll swatch the other one. Okay. Okay. Whee! Ah! Okay, you like it?
Yes.
Okay. Next up is the Huda Beauty Lifeliner, which claims to be a 48-hour eyeliner. So, again, let's see if it does live up to the hype. But I've read good reviews about this eyeliner, so let's see how it looks like inside. This little piggy wants to join. Okay, Huda Beauty Lifeliner, very sleek container. It's transparent. It instantly shows you what is inside.
Mommy.
Okay, so we're gonna open it, okay? Okay, very hard to open. I'm gonna push it on the other side now. Okay.
Pushy.
Okay, it feels very heavy, so I have to pull. Ah, okay, so this is the pencil side. There you go. Let's see how much is in there. I don't move. Okay, wait. Let's see. Okay, standard amount. I'm gonna use Kaikai's hand to swatch. So, because of the way it's made, you have a really nice grip of the eyeliner. Wait lang, Kai. I'm gonna swatch now. I'll withdraw. So it's not gonna slip while you're applying your eyeliner. Okay, let's try. Wow, okay. So that's very intense. That's a very intense black. Okay, so you just, although this part you need to figure out how to close.
Okay.
Now, very exciting part! Eyeliner. Oops. There you go. The other side is a pencil and the other side is an eyeliner. Okay, so I have mixed feelings about this kind of applicator because it is going to transfer in my own lashes. So if I want to curl my lashes, it's going to be hard to do that if you're going to have a little bit of product. But it's okay if you're going to wear false lashes. That's going to be covered, but that's okay. I can always use a different brush to apply, but let's see what the brush feels like. Oops, hi. Okay, wait. Oh. Okay, very flexible. Oh, wow, it's very black. So there is a flat side to it. So when you want to do line, okay, nice. It's taking a little bit of time to set, which can be tricky, but if you're aware of that, that's fine. Also on Kaikai. Wow, that's so black and intense.
Mommy,
Oh,
Daddy,
look. Oh, Daddy Yuk. Wow. Okay,
so
that's easy. The next products that I'm going to be showing you are products that I'm very excited about. Okay, so the next products that I got, I am so excited about because they're products that I can't get so easily. So I have a friend, my best friend, is coming over from the UK. So the moment she said to me that she was coming over, obviously I had to get these products. I was so excited, and I'm gonna show you now. First one is the Silk Brows. Okay, and it did come with this spoolie brush. So this one, I I don't know if we can get this easily in Dubai, or if we do have it here, it's gonna be overpriced. So, and then I wanted to get like an authentic one or the real one. So, so the soap brows came in this packaging or in the mail, and then inside is a disposable spoolie brush, which is a very soft one. Bristles are very soft, and then the handle is wood, I think. I don't know. Here's that. Yee! So this is the original one. I wonder what's so special about this one. Let's open.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Too much.
Too much? Don't use that one. Wow. Okay, so cute. It's like a mint box. Oh, nice. Not so secure, but anyway, it's so... Ah! Okay, so it's transparent. Doink, doink. Okay. Is there plastic there? No, I don't think so. Okay, so, dear husband, this soap brow, you apply this on your brows to get bushy brows. So I think that's what's special about this one, because it's transparent, so it doesn't show like the other soaps that you use, because you can actually use ordinary soaps to achieve the brows, but I think because this is transparent and okay, so I'm gonna have to use this really soon. Looks nice. Okay, you will be wobble, but nice box. I'm gonna keep it aside because someone's gonna play with it. So the next one is this Smart Trainer Miracle Face and Neck Lift. So this is not a very common product. I've seen a lot of makeup tutorials, or even the Asian, you know those Asian makeup tutorials where they lift their face. So I'm so excited to see this product and use it. So for those of you who are scared of getting Botox or fillers, you can get this one. Okay. So it comes with, okay, I think this is for the neck. Let's see. You stick this in and pull your double chin in. And this is for one side, and then this is like the unassembled part. You stick this on one side and then pull it and stick it on the other side. Then you'll get the lift. I think with this sticker you can put makeup on top of it and it's not gonna show, but if it does, it's fine. It's for the face. So you stick this in on one side and then on another side, basically, and then you connect with here. So that's gonna keep it in place and give you an instant temporary facelift. Yay! 12 pairs or 6 pairs of stickers. So last but not the least, oh, I'm so excited, is the BPerfect Carnival Palette XL Pro Palette, sorry, by Stacey Marie. Oh, I've seen so many makeup tutorials using this, and I'm so excited to open it. Okay. Okay, yay! Okay, so I've been waiting to open this for about a month now because I wanted to do an unboxing video. That's not self-control, I don't know what it is. Wow! Okay, so BPerfect Carnival XL Pro Palette by Stacey Marie.
Yes, please.
Oh, I don't want to ruin the box.
Open it.
Okay, I'm opening it.
Okay.
I'm gonna push it on one side, okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So much fun.
Okay. Oh wow. Okay, there's another plastic. Came along with some makeup inspiration. This is, what's this? Okay, this is how the packaging looks like. That's Stacey Marie over there. Okay. So there's a love letter for the carnival lovers. Wait, guys. What's this? Halloween makeovers. Whatever. Okay, so this is the moment. Okay. Oh, I love the colorful print. Okay, so how many colors? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 times 5 plus 3 highlighters. Okay, wait, stop, wait. 1, 2. Ta-da! Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my god. Okay, so we have 3 highlighters over here, and then 8 times 5.
40.
Okay, 40 colors. 40 colorful eyeshadows over here. Oh my god. So we have the orange tones, pinky tones, greens, and then nudes. Very nice. Oh my god. Should I swatch? Can I swatch? Woo! Yeah, I'll swatch the highlighter. Oh, it feels so oh wow. Nice. Okay.
Nothing frame.
Wow. Okay. Wow. Okay, it feels so buttery. But it's not chunky even though it's a highlighter. Nice. This one. Nice. Okay. Hi. And this one is kind of a bronzy one. Okay. Very excited to use this. Okay, so these ones for sure are gonna be my go-to. This one specifically. Very nice. And this row over here. So nice. Okay. I want to see the green one. Oh wow. Wow. Okay. That's very pigmented. So excited to use that. So neon. Oh my god. And this one. Oh wow. My god. Oh. Very nice swatch. I can't obviously swatch all of them right now, but that was a light touch. Wow. Nice. Okay. So that's that. So excited to use and play with this. Oh my gosh. Okay, you can touch one. Touch one. Go. Okay. Can you touch this one? Oh, wow. Okay, you put it in the hand. Put here. Show in the camera. Okay, I love that the shade names are mentioned over there. So very easy to identify which one I'm using. Oh yay! Okay, that's the last but not the least product. Okay. So that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for unboxing with me. I hope you enjoyed the products as much as I did. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use these really soon. So before we go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notifications by clicking on the bell. Thank you once again. Until next time, bye! Say bye! Bye! Bye, kisses, kisses. Oh! With saliva kayo. Bye! Say bye, guys.
Say bye!
Bye, guys!
Bye, guys! Bye!
Okay.
I love you.
Oh, wow! Unboxing? You want to do unboxing also?
Yeah.
Yes? Show them your toys.
Blaze.
This is Blaze?
Yeah.
Oh, wow! We should do... Okay.
This cracks.
So the... Okay.
Don't subscribe me. Bye.
Okay. Again, Kaka's doing his extra. Okay, go.
Subscribe me.
And then?
Hope you enjoyed that.
And then subscribe.
Hope you enjoyed the
channel.
product.
Bye.
What?